WOW represents a partnership in between the business community as well as educators, and hopefully generate an interest in our 8th graders and those that are at the young age in determining what their career path may be based upon what they see and experience here at the World of Works.
Really impressed with the way that the co-ops and the power company made it real life. When you start talking about generating electricity, I think a lot of people don't really understand what it looks like, but they've really put some good models in place. And I'm just impressed to see how the students really get to engage, where they're kicking a breaker or inside of a bucket. So it's real life, and that's what we got to have.
A lot of youth don't understand that there are tons of careers out there that don't require you to have a 4-year degree. We've got several positions at our facility which allow for people to start a career in a different area.
WOW is something you can't explain. You have to experience it. When you've got 87 companies represented here showing hands-on career opportunities for students, that's what WOW is. When you bring in adults and they go through this and they say, I wish we would have had this opportunity when their age, you can't get any better than that. That's what WOW is.
Nationally, there's a shortage of healthcare workers, and that affects our ability to care for our community. And so we're investing in 8th graders today to be able to care for the community tomorrow.
So I've been working in education for over 25 years, and this is my first experience with a WOW, World of Works here in Southeast Alabama. And WOW is the perfect acronym because I am amazed with the volume and the intensity of the folks that have come together for this interactive career exploration event.
WOW is important to begin educating these kids about what are the possibilities in every industry. They might see the line level employees, the people who are serving them, the people who are meeting their needs, but they don't see really what's going on in the background. They don't know about what's possible. They don't know what it takes to grow in an industry. They don't know what it takes to become a manager at a hotel. And this is such a great opportunity for us to begin educating these kids at this stage about what their potential is.
We're here to get them involved, touch it, feel it. For instance, we had one student that came through that had never held a screwdriver in their life, much less a drill. And they got doing it and they got interested in it, and they're talking about, maybe this is something I could really enjoy, I would really like it.
A lot of times we wait until children are in 11th grade or 12th grade before we start talking to them about what they want to do next. The beauty of WOW is that we're getting in early, and we're letting them know that not only is there options in 4-year, but there are 2-year and career tech, and that our community needs excellent, skilled workforce, and this place is helping us create just that.
Kids, our 8th grade kids today, that's our future of tomorrow. That's our employees of tomorrow. It's just a great opportunity to get them at a young age, to sell them on a career path that might be something that would fit them and their interests and their skills. Again, maybe help motivate them and help change the life of a young person. There's not a negative to be a part of WOW.
Our best resource here in the Wiregrass are our people. And this is an opportunity for all of us to come together and to showcase that and to build our next generation of business leaders, our next generation of community involvement advocates. And there's no better place in my book than the Wiregrass.